Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 2.
Tempo.
Now,
Brian.
we kept going with those jig kicks. We gave you an entrance from side-by-side Charleston. Here it is. Hey, ha, hey, hey. Rock, step, swoop.
Leaders go.
Rock, step, swoop. Rock, step, swoop. When you're ready, we go right back to side-by-side.
Then, in jig kicks, we had this cool little pop-up.
It looked like this. Hey, hey. Rock, step, catch, out. A rock step.
Yeah.
We gave you that rock step option or a stomp off option. If you hold it a little longer, it worked with the music.
And then we went back to our walks, and we added your Alleluia in the walks.
Hey, hey, hey. Boom. Back it on up. Rock step. Bam, 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 bam. A rock step. And that's what we did.